Pasamundos. Happy Friday, everybody. Whoops, where's my glasses? There they are. Happy Friday, everybody. Today we're going to talk about ordinal numbers. This will be our last day for ordinal numbers, okay? So, I'm pretty sure you have them. You guys have been doing real well with them, so mirror my actions. Ordinal numbers are when we say first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Mirror my actions. Ordinal numbers are when we say first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, we're going to start here. We're going to go over this little elephant thing real quick, and then we're going to go over your worksheet. I have another practice for you today, and I think you guys will be A-okay. Don't forget, there'll be 2 other videos with this. We'll have our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. We'll have that one, and we'll have the ordinal number 1. Okay, all right. Let's read these directions, and let's find the elephants that are at the ordinal number positions. Because ordinal numbers tells you where something is in line, right? Like it's first in line, or it's third in line, or it's fourth in line. That's what ordinal numbers tell you. They tell you the position of something in line. All right. So this first instruction says, draw a red circle around the fifth. Fifth. So we're looking for fifth, right? So let's count these here. We got some elephants, and we're starting on this side. So we'd say first, second, third, fourth, fifth. All right, let's draw a circle. Red circle around the fifth one, because we have to follow the instructions, right? It says draw a red circle. There's a popper right there, isn't it? D, red, D. That's our teeth popper. That's our loud teeth popper, isn't it? D. Yep. A red circle around fifth. So, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Right there it is. Okay. Now, let's go to the next instruction. It says, draw a blue circle around the first elephant, right? The first elephant. Yeah. So, there's our loud lip popper right there. Blue, blue circle around the first elephant, right? And that's an easy one, isn't it? Because we can count them. We'll go first. Oh, there it is. First. But here's a blue circle. Now, you see how I didn't draw a red circle around that? That wasn't the proper instruction. The instruction said to draw a blue circle. So I had to make sure that I had my blue crayon when I did that, because that's what it asked me to do. All right. Let's move on to the next instruction. It says draw a green circle around the fourth. There's our throat popper, our loud throat popper. Green. And make sure we're getting our green crayon out here, because it said draw a green circle around the fourth elephant. So let's count to the fourth elephant. 1, 2, oh, no, sorry. Go back, Mr. B. First, second, third, fourth. And I'm going to make sure I have my green crayon and draw my green circle there around my fourth, because that was what the instruction said. Draw a green circle around the fourth. Now we'll go to the last instruction. It says X out the second elephant. So we're going to put an X through the second one. Let's find the second one, okay? First, second. There it is. And it says to exit out. I'm not going to draw a circle around it because it says to exit out. Let's follow the instructions. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Ta-da! All right. Let's take a look at our homework from last time. I'm just going to circle these, okay? But you're supposed to color in the ones that it asks you to color. So the first one says, color the fourth basket. So we're going to start over here, and we're going to say first, second, third, fourth. There it is. So you should have colored this guy in. Woo-wee. Yep. Let's count them all in ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, we got the fourth one, didn't we? Whoop, 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 right there. All right, let's go down to these little bunny rabbits here. We got to make sure that we followed the instructions. It says color the second bunny. Color the second bunny. So let's count them over. Let's see. First, second. Oh, there he is. Our little buddy right here. Oh, color around. You could have colored him in. Let's color his eyes green. Oh, no, he's got green eyes. Boo. Oh, Mr. B. Let's count them all in ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. There they are. All right. You also had this page, right? Color the fifth Easter egg. It's not Easter time, Mr. B. Color the fifth Easter egg. Okay, let's count them over using ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. There he is. Yay. I'll color him. Oh, Mr. B, that's not very good. Color. Let's try these chickens down here. Color the first Easter chick. Oh, the first one. The first one's the easy one, isn't it? Let's try to find the first one. Let's see. First. There he is. The first Easter chicken right there. Let's count them all using ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. All right. And last but not least, these are not... What's wrong with these bunnies down here? I think they're bunnies coming out of eggs. That's got to be what it is. Look, there's no arms here. Look, let's draw some arms in here. There. At least give him some arms there. There's some arms for this guy. There. Whoever drew these bunnies was not a very good artist. These are terrible arms too, aren't they? Mr. B. That's not very good. Okay, so it says color the third bunny. So let's count them. Let's count over using ordinal numbers. First, second, third. There he is. It's this guy right here. Whoop. Let's count them all using ordinal numbers. You want to? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. All right. So this is going to be our last ordinal number lesson, you guys. And I feel real good about it. And I saw you guys go from not knowing ordinal numbers pretty much at all. Maybe a little bit, but not very well. And some of you didn't know ordinal numbers at all. And now, before we left school, I saw that you were getting them pretty good if you didn't already have them. And Jade did a very good job turning her homework in, and hers were spot on. It was a very good job, Jade. So I'm going to give you one more little lesson that looks kind of like this, and send it back to me with a picture. I don't care how you send it back. You don't have to scan it. Just take a picture and put it in the email there. But I do want to tell you this, and maybe you'll catch on to this more next year. This is kind of a hard thing to understand. When we talk about ordinal numbers, we're talking about where something is in line. So if you have a line of something, where it is in that line. It's first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Regular numbers tell us how many we have. Like we have 5 or we have 6 of something, right? But it doesn't really tell you where they're at. It just tells you how many you have altogether. where ordinal numbers, the ones we're talking about today, tell us where something is in line. And that's why they're important, because if I said, go get the fourth piece of candy in line, you would need to know which one that is. I hope that makes sense. I miss seeing everybody. Hopefully, I guess we won't be back to school for a while now. But I miss everybody. My lessons will get better as soon as I can get back in the building and get my smart board working. Then I can do my lessons like I normally do them, and it'll be a lot better. I miss you guys. Have a good weekend. Okay. Peace.